Okay, so what I was saying here is that they give you an initial position of P. Are we still checking? Are we able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thanks. P position, the center is this one. When I go to C1, I mark on 1, which is the horizontal line 1. When I shift to C2 with the radius, same radius, I mark on 2. When I go to 3, you mark on 3, the horizontal line for 3. When I go to 4, I mark on the maximum. There is 4. Then when I come to 5, obviously it starts falling. 5 and 3 in the same line. You mark here using 5, to be somewhere there. 5. When I come to 6, I need to mark on this line here for 6. Let's say there. When you come to 7, you are going to mark on 7. Let's say it's sitting there. You see where it's sitting because 7 is the center, so the radius of a circle is here. There is initial position of P, the final position of P at that instant. So you are going to trace the locus by now freehand sketch. We continue. P is sitting on the right hand side of the red circle. Yes or no? Yes. Can you see? P is sitting on the right hand side of a circle, which is the red circle. Can we see? This is the center line of a red circle. Right hand side is here. Then I've got a green circle here. When it's changing the motion, it falls with what we call the free fall. So what we do, we use a compass from the corner here. We use a compass to show the position of P on the green circle. So if P is sitting on the right hand side here, it's going to be on the right hand side of the green circle. Right of the green circle, left of the green circle. Okay, so let me just do this nicely. The center line. Yeah, let's say the center line is there. It makes more sense, yeah. So what I'm saying is this green circle has got the right here and the left there. So when it's changing rotation, like it's a sharp corner like that, then you need to always use a compass from here to P, where P is, and draw an arc. You draw an arc until to this side, right hand side. So let's say it hits here, right hand side. This you use a compass, not freehand. You use a compass. So it's like this, from P on the right of a red circle to mark P on the right of the green circle. Then I mark P here. So it means that P is on the green circle at that position on the center line. Already you can see that is the center line that I'm using. So if P is here, do you know that it was in the mood of falling? So the next line to mark is this line, then that line, then that line. And then it starts to rise if it's rising. So now, the center of this P is this one here. Let me use red. The center of this P here is here. So the center is here. There is the arrow showing you just the center. So when I come to C1 here, with the same radius of this circle, at C1 here, you need to mark on the next line here, from P to here. It's falling. Then you go to C2. This is C1, C2. Center 2, you mark on the next level. Center 3, you mark down. Then center 4, it starts to rise.